Alright, so this video is going to be twofold. I'm going to be showing you guys this hair that I got from Beauty Forever, as well as a really nice, simple makeup tutorial at the end. This is their Malaysian kinky curly. It is very light, as I've said in the video. This is what the packaging looks like. The box is so extra, but I love it. I got some lashes as well, and I actually wore these lashes in the video, as well as the hair. I hope you guys like this kind of video. If you do, let me know. Along with my hair reviews I can do, like the makeup tutorial that I was wearing in the hair review video, you know. So let me know what you think about that. The hair is extremely soft. I didn't say it in the video, and it does not shed a lot. It's really soft. Yeah, so that's it for this intro. Beauty Forever, thank you so much for sending me your hair to review. I love it. And do not forget to stay tuned to the end for the makeup tutorial that I'm wearing in this video. I also have another video talking about the contact lens that I'm wearing in this video as well. You girls been filming. I've been doing my best. So this is it for this intro, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Again, Beauty Forever, everything for them will be linked in the description bar below. Their website, their Instagram, so on and so forth. Thanks, guys. Oh, I hate when there's hair on my lip. So there's the finished look, and this is the hair. Yes, honey, go on. Sorry, I've been watching RuPaul's Drag Race, but this is the hair, and it is from this hair is from Beauty Forever, and this is what the hair came packaged in. This package is so extra. This package is so extra. I mean, like, it's just not necessary. It's hella extra. So I'm wearing 3 bundles and a frontal. Yes, your girl's wearing a frontal. So this is what the frontal is looking like. I haven't tweezed it or anything as yet, and that's primarily because I wear all my hairs down like this. So this is their Malaysian kinky curly. Now, I've always said this, and it's no different with this hair from Beauty Forever. Malaysian hair is really light. It's like there's nothing on my head. The only thing I don't like about Malaysian hair with this kinky curly is that it doesn't stay big for long. So if you don't want that big voluminous curl, volume, if you don't want that volume, then definitely get your Malaysian. But if you want that volume, I do recommend Brazilian. But Malaysian hair, girl, it's nice and curly, and it's moderately big, you know. So I made the wig, and then after making the wig, I just like fluffed it up, and that's it. Nothing else to it. I am wearing 26 inches. I believe it's the longest length, but as usual, I'll have the curtain length for you guys in the description box. I believe I'm wearing 226, 24 and a 20-inch closure, but I will of course specify in details in the description box for you guys. Now this length is really nice, really jaw-dropping, and you guys know I have a thing for curly hair, like kinky curly hair. I think kinky curly hair suits me. I think it looks nice on me, so that's what this is the texture that I chose. Excuse me. And so far so good. The next time you see me in this hair, I would have had the frontal tweezed to give you guys a bit more of a hairline, and I'm gonna work on it. But I really have to get this video up for you guys so that when I'm posting, you guys know what I'm posting about. Plus it has gotten past the time for me to post, because you guys know I was with hair and getting back into the mood of filming. It took a toll on me to get back into the mood of filming. So today I'm feeling good, so I am literally just riding that wave, you guys. I'm just feeling good and getting my videos out today. So this is the hair from Beauty Forever. The customer service was pretty good. It was, even though they're sending me something for me to review, sometimes they catch a little attitude, but with Beauty Forever it was good, and I appreciate that. What I requested, it wasn't sidetracked and oh, we think you should, you know what I mean? Like, they respected me. I know you guys think that being a YouTuber, and as long as I get in free stuff, it's fine. I mean, they have to have respect, and Beauty Forever really respected my opinions, and they respected my views. So as you know, good hair. I don't make nothing come on my channel that's not good hair, honey. So this is it. Hope you guys like this hair, because I love it. I love curly hair. Alright, so far so good, and I will of course let you guys know how the hair is holding up on my social media, so stay tuned to that. So that's it for this video, for this tutorial, this hair review. Beauty forever, honey. Your hair is bomb. Your hair is bomb. Good job, good job. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Alright guys, I'll be doing a makeup tutorial, something quick and easy that you guys can follow. I am exhausted. This will be a voiceover. I'll be including music, protein chicken or TEAMIblends. So let go.
God bless the boy DJ. I mean, I say it's all about long suffering. No? You what? Have faith and wait. Hear me now. Want me say Christmas come but only once a year. But DJ I wait on the 25th. And you what? For me know say me have life. Me know say that me possess a gift. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. JPS lock off me night, and the boss go fire me, that can't be right. The landlord want for your rent by tonight. Me want food for bite, and me not even have money, can't afford for bite. God knows, so me just a stay strong. Police can't daddy gone up a station. No food, no in the house. Baby a ball, and me can't take the separation. I work and say me a go try it, but me a feel the ex them a put up a fight. Bad minded just forget a up a hype. Ya know sometimes me feel like we just go soft, we broke a fight. I know say me just a hold on, even though me they have from all long. Me know say you dead the land and you don't gone, so me now get vexed and I stand up a fall on. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. Life hard and it no soft, but the Lord of mine rather than me staff. We bring me do for the whole lot tonight, but tomorrow morning me know me a go laugh. And you are Lord, even though Lord you know I wanna bust. No me nah go feel shame to drive on a bus. And even if me dead spiritually, me a go wait cause me a go rise like Lazarus. Till the man Jesus alone I man a trust. Me and the Lord go way back like rhinoceros. Me man a tell me if me want good, me nose have to run. And me really nah go make my mother ghost. So me just a wait, me want to look on every gate. And even the M.I.M. garments I wanna toast. So me nah worry, no in a no hurry. Me nah go on like calm and a rush. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother call me live out of east. Me can't go away from me woulda be a disease. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic and me lay behind cars.